तो अब एक इटालियन डिश और दिखाने वाली हूँ मैं आपको, पेने अरेबियाटा। पेने पास्ता तो आप जानते ही हैं, ये अरेबियाटा स्टाइल वो आपको दिखाएंगे आज।
So we put a pan and we put olive oil in it. And as that is heating, let me tell you what all goes in it. We'll need onions, we'll need garlic, we'll need chili flakes, salt, pepper, Parmesan cheese, and fresh basil. Now that the olive oil is hot, we have added sliced garlic to it. Let it cook for a bit and then we will add finely chopped onions to it. Remember, keep the garlic on very medium heat, otherwise it's going to burn easily. And now that the onions are there, we're going to stir them well.
Chili flakes. This says arrabbiata. I don't know.
Arrabbiata means what?
Yes. So the basic sauce is tomato, which we add onion and garlic. So adding just chili flakes makes it arrabbiata sauce. It's very, very simple. Yes. So once you see the ingredients are a little golden brown, we'll add our tomato puree.
शेफ ने यहाँ canned tomatoes देके उन्हें simply puree किया है. So while chef is adding the tomato puree, I want to tell you some trivia. ये अरेबियाटा वर्ड जो मैं हमेशा सोचती थी मतलब टोमेटो सॉस है, इसका एक्चुअली मतलब इटालियन में एंग्री होता है. मतलब ये सॉस बहुत एंग्री, स्पाइसी, तीखा है. तो यहाँ से उसका नाम आता है. Now let's blanch the pasta which we are going to use for this.
ये भी ऑलरेडी सेमी कुक्ड है.
Yes, ma'am.
ये सेमी ब्लांच ऑलरेडी है, बस इसको पूरा पका रहे हैं और गर्म कर रहे हैं. शेफ, आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन.
Yes, ma'am.
ये अगर हमारे पास ये कैन टमेटोज नहीं हो
अब फ्रेशली टमेटोज को we blanch, we cut it into four, not fully, just a very 1/3 inch we cut the tomatoes into four, so that when you blanch your tomatoes into hot water and just take it on ice water, that's what we call a blanching. So the skin peel off easily.
Yeah.
And then we just blend that tomato.
To blanch the tomatoes, first we make slits like this, put it in hot boiling water. जब वो नरम हो जाए, put it in cold water and take off the skin and then blend it. So now to our sauce, we are going to add the salt, we are going to add pepper, and of course, the most important ingredient जिससे इसका नाम आता है, which is the red chili flakes to make it nice and fiery. After this, our sauce is ready. Now we add the penne pasta to it.
इनकी एक सीक्रेट ये है कि थोड़ा सा जो पास्ता का पानी है वो भी डालना है अंदर. डोंट डिस्कार्ड ऑल ऑफ इट, जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ वाटर कीप पुटिंग एवरी टाइम यू पुट इट सो दैट इट रिमेन्स मॉइस्ट एंड सॉफ्ट.
My Parmesan cheese and my fresh torn with hands basil, very rustic, very flavorful. That's it. That's the magic of the pasta.
So any reason why you tear the basil and not cut it with a knife?
We don't cut it with a knife because as fresh greens turn into black, so turning with a hand is the most beautiful way you can present a greenish in your dish. Yes. So that's done, and I'll plate my pasta.
Now as we plate the pasta, we notice that the sauce is thick and sticking to the pasta and not too watery nor too dry. This is just the right consistency. If you wish, you could add some more Parmesan cheese on top of it. And this basil makes the pasta so delicious.
Amazing. अभी आप सबके साथ खा सकती हैं, बट बनाइए ज़रूर और याद करिए.